Welcome back to another movie review. We're taking a look at a show called Making Fun, the story of Funko. So it's these little toys with the big heads. And I'm a big fan of music or shows about the industry, about businesses and how businesses get developed and where they come from. And I am not a big fan of wasting money in garbage. And I never like these dumb dolls. So I was curious to see what they're about. And this movie is impressive. I really like the movie a lot. It's about the concept of the company and the people that created it, and it's about these big-headed dolls and all the other stuff that they create. Funko is responsible for the bobblehead revival. You know, since the 50s, there was a kind of another revival of the bobbleheads, and that's due to the people that created Funko. And a really neat story. A successful entrepreneurial, successful capitalist, and in a way, obviously, that's paying attention to what people are interested in and fond of, and honestly doesn't probably hurt too much the world, other than whatever plastic industries do. But whatever. So this was a pretty fun show. I definitely recommend watching it. If you're a fan of these little toys, I would highly recommend it because you'll learn all about them and how it's neat to collect them and how many of them there are. But as far as business and entrepreneurial type of lessons and in branding and licensing and in venture capitalism and starting off a new company and running a company in a unique and deliberate way, really interesting story. And of course, there's all kinds of toys and stuff. So I highly recommend this movie. I'm going to give it 8 out of 10 millimeters, and suggest that you give it a shot. I will put a link to the thing over on Amazon if I can find it, and we'll thank our friends over on Patreon, people that give us a cup of coffee or so each month to allow us to take a couple of minutes to do some of the fun stuff like this, as well as our other projects each month. Let us know in the comments what you think of Making Fun, the story of Funko. And thanks for watching.